I got a package from KORE Aviation. Let's open it up and see what we got. Headset bag included, mono and stereo support, noise canceling microphone, 3.5mm aux input, 5-year warranty. That sounds like a deal to me. Let's open it up. So today I have the K-1 headset. The pouch in the front is an amazing place to put extra things like batteries or even that extra foam mic cover. The next best thing is the pouch on the inside. What a perfect opportunity to put your pilot certification in there and your documents as needed. Here I'm showing you the 3.5mm aux input plugs. Another great feature is that the microphone is sturdily attached to the base of the headset. Two gel plush seals are on either side of the headphones, which are super flexible, especially if you're a sunglass or an eyeglass wearer. The headset cushion on the top is great for when you don't want messy hair after a long day of flying. You can also adjust at the sides for a custom fit with these stainless steel frames. Not to mention that the cable is 5 feet and it's tangle-free. We finally got good weather in Alaska, so I decided why not try to pair my KORE headset with my PJ2 Plus comm radio from Sporty's. Because sometimes after a long day of not being able to get up in the sky because of weather, maintenance, you name it, you just gotta lay down and listen to the radio.